First-order logic, FOL, is a foundational component of logic in artificial intelligence, AI. It provides a formal framework for representing knowledge and making inferences. In AI, FOL is used to encode facts, rules, and relationships within a domain, enabling logical reasoning and deduction. AI systems leverage FOL to perform tasks such as automated theorem proving, knowledge-based reasoning, natural language understanding, and planning. By employing FOL, AI systems can represent complex relationships, reason about uncertainty, and derive new knowledge from existing information, making it a fundamental tool in the field of artificial intelligence. Sure, here are some small applications of first-order logic in artificial intelligence. 1. Expert systems, representing domain knowledge and making inferences in expert systems. 2. Natural language understanding, parsing and understanding natural language statements using logical representations. 3. Automated planning, representing states, actions, and goals in automated planning systems. 4. Semantic web, encoding and reasoning about knowledge on the web using ontologies and logic. 5. Database querying, expressing complex queries in databases using logical representations. 6. Robotics, reasoning about the environment and actions in robotic systems using logic-based representations.